Hey guys, yeah, it's okay. So InfoStation here. By the way, that's not really my name. Just to clarify with all y'all who might think that's my name, because I keep saying at the start of videos. Just don't know what to say, like my username or my real name. So I'm just gonna say InfoStation here. All right. So I've been working on a new feature. I started it last night around like 9, because I was watching South Park and I got bored because I already saw it. So I just got on the computer. I It was actually, I started something on Friday to allow. I wrote a script, basically a bot, like how Google goes around and grabs links and all that from websites. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do a search engine. So I just stopped the project. Then I realized, hey, this generation's mad lazy. We really are, especially me. So why not use it to allow people to add stuff to the site easier and quicker? So what I did was images. So basically what happened is like the image search. So for example, I know most of you use Google, but I don't for my own reason. Like for example, if you were to go to this. So basically what it does is you'll enter ULR, it'll get all the images, all these images, and then it'll show it to you. And then depending on the info code you are on, it'll add it to it. So let's do that for the NGP. I was testing out with the 3DS, and let me just tell you, I'm really happy about this. I know I said that about the file extract feature. I'm also happy about that too. But as you can see, all these images, I got that from a page that I just closed on Nintendo 3DS games. I went to the 3DS page. I added all the links, and from there, I never once touched these upload bars. And it might even replace this feature. Might even replace the upload bars. Okay, so as you can see, I managed to get Let's see if we can get how many images I can manage to got. Now, as you can see, my computer's being a bit laggy. 60 images just by doing that. Okay, so the NGP. Let's go to that. Now images. Okay, so let's go to Bing and type in NGP. Okay. Now it's not gonna be here automatically under the images because I'm still tweaking it and working out. So like right now is a rough draft. Basically, the only I wrote it so you could only add images to Nintendo 3DS info code. But then I added that ID field so you can add the ID of the info code, and that way it'll add it to it too. So right here, what you do, you copy, you just get the image. I'm the URL of the page that has images. You can enter any URL. Click search. So what's gonna happen? It's gonna go out and get all the link. It's gonna get, I mean, all the images it finds on that. As you can see, it only shows, like, there's a limit to how many it shows. I haven't really counted. I'm too lazy to do it. Okay, so now what happens is a done button up here appears. The images appear, and besides them, there's a little delete button. Now that's basically to delete images, like images, like duplicate images, this one and this one that you might not want, or like whenever I try to do it to the IGN page, there are like countless images that are just blank, and then I try to delete them and they won't delete. So IGN really being bitchy. Okay, so let's say, okay, let's go through all the images. And now here's the thing, the memory, it remembers. Because I had done this earlier and there were more images here, but I deleted the duplicate ones. I bet like these ones got away from me. But I deleted duplicate ones and it remembers all the images that I deleted. So it's not showing them. That's the thing. Because I done it earlier for a video, but then that video wasn't good, so I removed it. And I guess this video will go more smooth because the duplicates are majority already gone. Now you say this and this one are duplicates. Yeah, but they have different, like this is more, this focus is more on it, so I'm just gonna keep that there. And this is a comparison, so I'll keep that too. Yeah. And as you can see, when you click delete, it just shows the images again. So you could delete as many images as you want until your heart content. And once you're done, click the done button there. It's gonna show all the images it's add real quick, and then it's gonna refresh itself. So let's reload it NGP info code. As you can see, the images that were just there, images here, they're already there. Oh, and like I said, it remembers the ones you delete because this one has shown up too. The one right here on the other window, this don't even know what that is. It showed up, but I deleted earlier, and it showed it. And so yeah, and even this truck when that showed up, because it remembers the images that you delete. So if you ever go back to a website and crawl it, it's not gonna show the same image. You're not gonna have to go through the process again. As you can see, all the images right here were added. You might be like, it only works with Bing. I'm not gonna use it. Nah, it works with a lot of other sites. So let's go to Engadget. I know this would be hella, cause they have hundreds of images on their site. So let's search Engadget.com. And now this one might be like IGN, so I might just end up canceling it basically because IGN had hundreds of videos. See what I mean? Just like IGN, it has hundreds of images. That's like you wouldn't want all these images on the NGP page. That'd just be redundant to have AOL tech there. Some idiot might come on and be like, "What? AOL made the NGP? I did not know this." Like, no, you idiot, they didn't. So just basically click delete. As you can see, all the images. And I'll show you this one because this one has a lot. So it's gonna remember the images we delete. So once we add the images, we'll just search it again. Okay. So just bear with me while I delete these images. And I'm working on a way to allow you to check multiple images and delete it. But this feature will be released without that enabled. I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna have to do more on it. Why do we have Apple here? I'm just curious why. And is that the DS? Why is the 3DS here? This is absurd. As you can see, it doesn't grab the videos or any other thing. It just grabs the images. I'm working on allowing it to grab the um, videos too. Oh, and the feature of this is basically when I develop something and it's not like I didn't set out to develop this straight for the Infoco. Basically, I just developed it so it could grab images. Basically, I wanted to create an image search engine, but I'm like, not even gonna try that. No, no. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna just do it for the Infoco. So the direct thought wasn't for the Infoco, but it eventually became for that. And if you're lost, basically this feature is gonna come to other services. Like right now, I'm working on a notebook service, and I think I'm gonna let you do that. And also, there are other features coming to images. Soon you'll be able to rotate, rotate images, crop images. Um, what was the other one? There were other stuff you'll be able to do with it. You'll be able to add your own watermark to it. Like we won't watermark the images because they're your images. But for example, if let's say you have images and you want to watermark them, you could just do that. And what that means basically is what you don't have to create an image and then just upload your images for that. I mean, you could do that if you want, but we're gonna be launching an image studio very soon, which will allow you to do just more than crop, rotate, and all that. So look forward to that. Um, I don't know what else is gonna be. Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing an upload feature service called a Locker, which basically will allow you to upload on all your files. Basically, it's gonna be unlimited. I don't know about that yet, cause a lot of people they just go overboard with that. And the image studio feature will also be available for the Locker thing, which if you upload images and all that, it'll automatically have Enter Studio link next to it, and then you'll be able to click that link and you'll be able to edit the images. So that's what's gonna come ahead. Recently, I haven't worked on the site that much though. Oh yeah, I've been working on the calendar feature, integrating that. The site is almost done. Let me just get it out the way. It's almost done. As you can see, I've just been talking really just so you can pay attention to me deleting. Well, not really notice me deleting the images because there's a lot of pointless images here. And as you can see, all these images I just deleted, once we add these images back. Oh yeah, another feature. You can't add multiple images. Well, what I mean is like, see what I mean? You saw that blank right here at the corner. I just deleted that. That didn't even go away. See what I mean by it's being bitchy? But um, it wouldn't allow you to add multiple images that already been added. So if I was to search this site again, as you can see, let's reload. As you can see, all the images were added. But this will finish loading. Yeah. So Okay. So let me show you what I mean by it remembers the images you delete. See? It only shows. So I delete all the images. Now, if I ever go back and let's say, oh, I want to add, like, let's say for example, I accidentally delete all these images. This will finish loading. Then it would it'll remember. Let's say I accidentally delete all the images that are here, and I go back and when I add them, it'll remember it. And as you can see, it's not completely foolproof. There's still some stuff in the way. What the? As you can see, it's not really that perfect. That's why we haven't added it to it yet. There's still some problems. Well, anyway, that's just what I wanted to show you guys.